Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the international contact numbers in the Alaska Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down a bit and click on the Contact Us button. And then within this section, click on the International button. And as you can see, you will find the international contact numbers here. So if you scroll down, you will be able to see all of them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.